Welcome to a video on the World Trade Center in Dubai. Whether you are planning a trip to Dubai or just curious about this attraction, the World Trade Center is a must-see destination. So let's discuss what makes this building so fascinating and why it's a hotspot for visitors from around the world. The World Trade Center opened in 1979 is one of Dubai's oldest skyscrapers. It was the tallest building in the Middle East at the time of its completion, standing at 149 meters with 39 floors. The architectural design by John R. Harris features a minimalistic yet elegant style, showcasing a sleek, modern appearance that stands out against the city skyline. It's not just an office building. The World Trade Center hosts numerous events, exhibitions, and conferences throughout the year, making it a central hub for business and cultural activities. As a business epicenter, the World Trade Center has played a crucial role in boosting Dubai's economy, attracting international companies and investors. It was the first skyscraper to be built along Sheikh Zayed Road, now one of the most bustling and famous streets in Dubai. Its prime location, Sheikh Zayed Road, makes it easily accessible and close to other major attractions in Dubai, such as the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. The unique design of the World Trade Center, with its distinctive shape and towering presence, makes it a recognizable landmark in Dubai. It's famous for hosting some of the world's biggest trade shows and exhibitions, including GITEX Technology Week and the Arabian Travel Market, drawing in global audience. So now the question is why people visit this Dubai World Trade Center. Basically, this is the best place for networking. Business professionals visit to attend conferences and trade shows, providing unparalleled opportunities for networking and collaboration. Tourists flock to experience this skywalk and to take part in the cultural and entertainment events held throughout the year. Shopping and dining. And yes, this is a premium shopping and fine dining options within the complex, makes it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. This place is also known as a cultural hub. With its diverse range of events, it serves as a cultural hub that brings together art, music, and tradition under one roof. If you're still watching my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow travel enthusiasts and business professionals. See you in the next video. Please keep watching and let us in the comment section that how you find this video. Thank you.